Yes, Your Highness, how you do? Yes, I am almost ready, you know. I pack up about 2 big suitcases already, and I have some snacks and all of these things, and I am actually waiting on my ride to come. Your Highness, yes, I just want to tell you thank you so much for handpicking me to be a part of your special congregation. You understand? I really appreciate it. You know, you invite me to come on the Ark, and it means a lot to me. Yes, sir. So where we is going now? To the Maldives or to Bora Bora? The same place that we worship every Sunday? Oh, so why you never get a hawk like what Noah did have? No, I'm not disappointed, you know. It's just that when you did say hawk, I was thinking something like the Titanic, you understand? Yes, that's why. Oh, is heaven we going? Then make you never say that from long time, Your Highness. Then that no better than Maldives and Bora Bora, man. Yes, of course I want to go. Then what me going to use to take the picture them to put on Instagram if I got to leave my phone at me yard in the file paper? Is the file paper going to take me picture then? Then Pastor, even though I have any Wi-Fi? Oh. Well, yes, I understand. We cannot take the material things and we got to go in spirit. And that is why I actually make sure that I buy 2 big bottle of white rum to carry go with me, you know, because I kick off the celebration this morning with some drinking, you know. So, you know, so by the time I reach to the Ark, I shall be well under the spirit. Yes. Or is not that spirit? Then what you mean? I don't understand. We can't go and flesh this. So me have to go dead? Tonight? Oh no, Pastor. No, I never did plan to die tonight, you know. No, no, tonight I was planning to go on the upper deck of the Ark to look out at the night sky. Like how Rose and Jack they do in the Titanic. The same kind of vibe near far wherever you are. Yes, but when you say heaven, I thought we was going to go to the Ark and just teleport from there and reach to heaven. I did not know that we had was to die. So we have to go tonight? Yeah, alright. Then, so you tell the Lord that we coming, or him know that we coming? Or him already know? Or is him tell you? Oh, me forget, so no talk all the while, you know. Alright, Pastor, here what I want for you to do. Just ask the Lord to excuse me. Just pardon me and let him know that I am not going to be here tonight, but you're going to RSVP me space for when I'm ready to come here. Give me about 30 years or so, then I will come back on the next trip here. So I'm planning to join Huno, you know, I'm just not joining Huno tonight. I'm not hearing you, you know. I can't hear you, Pastor. The signal is bad. The signal is bad. But you know, easy. You think you can chopper? You think you can fool me? You're not going to catch me, you know. You must think me forget how you traced me the last time because me never give you no half ring.